Hello everyone, today I will show you how to share Instagram posts to Facebook. And here's how it's done. Open the Instagram app on your Android or iPhone. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. Go to Settings and Activity. Scroll down to Who can see your content and tap Cross Posting. Here's where you link your Facebook account. If your Facebook account isn't linked yet, make sure to connect it. Tap on your Facebook profile under the Account Center. Inside, you will see options for sharing across profiles. From here, turn on the option to automatically share posts to Facebook. You can also turn on automatic sharing for stories and reels. Once it is set, everything you post, whether it is a post, story, or reel, will automatically go to your Facebook too. And that is everything you need to know about how to share Instagram posts to Facebook. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.